Where's your food? What are you doing? Are you pretty? What are you doing? What are you doing, Patty? Are you pretty? Are you pretty? Is that good? Mommy needs to clean your cage, huh? It's dirty. And your water. I have to clean your water every day. What do you do with your water? Are you pretty, bird? Are you pretty? What are you doing? Talk to me. What are you doing? Say pretty. Say pretty. Say pretty. Talk to me. Talk to me. Say, are you pretty? Are you hungry? Look. Look here. Look what Mommy has. Look what Mommy has. Look. You want it? Say pretty. Can you say what you doing? Say what you do. Say, you just said pretty bird. Or you just said. Say what you. Oh, that's pretty. Say what you. Say what are you doing? There you go. What are you doing? Yes, you are a pretty bird. What are you doing? I'm gonna feed you. Yes, you are pretty. Mommy loves. Yes, you are. You are pretty. You're pretty. I know, that's pretty. Mommy loves you. Yes. It's so pretty. What am I doing? Yes, you are. Yes, you are pretty. Love you. I love you. Oh, that's pretty, Patty. You're the prettiest bird ever in the whole world. That's pretty. Yeah. Yes, you're pretty. I know. Oh, that's pretty. You have a, you know what? Here in a couple of months, you have a birthday.